let's learn how to contact Binance customer support on phone. I will show you this tutorial on phone because it's easiest and fastest method, but you can follow up with any other device if you want. But I suggest you do this on phone. So without any delay, let us start by opening Binance application. From starting screen, you will have to go to your profile. To do this, click on this Binance icon in top left corner. It will open this page. Now to go to customer support, click on this headset icon near settings icon, and it will open Binance chat. Now here it will show you most common problems and how to fix it. Now you can also search for even more, view all, and you will have different categories. So if you didn't find what you need here, you can go back and scroll all the way down and click on this get support headset button. This will open Binance Assistant chat. Now you can chat with this AI assistant, but if you didn't get fix, you can also contact a real customer support and wait few hours. They will answer and probably fix your problem. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you.